Conversion from one loop to another will come for the exam. Three loops are there. One is for loop, the other one is while loop, and the third one is do while loop. So any one loop will be given and you will be asked to convert that into any other loop. So here I have given you some examples. You can see question number 1 on the left side, for loop is given. Then on the middle column, the corresponding while loop is written, and on the third column, right column, you can see the respective do while loop. Okay, so you need here when conversion is asked, the only thing you have to remember is the syntax of all the loops. Okay, so just look, you can see here in for loop. See, for loop, what is the syntax? For initialization, test expression, updation, and in the body you will write the statements. What about the while loop? What is the syntax of while loop? First you will write initialization, then while, test expression, then you will write the statement in the body, then you will write the updation, you will close it. And what about do while loop? Syntax is first initialization, do, open the curly bracket, write the body of the loop, statement in the body, do the updation, close the do loop, write while, condition, semicolon. So these are the syntax of these three loops. Okay, so just look at question number 1. Here suppose this is a question. You have to convert this for loop into while loop. What you have to do? What is the syntax of while loop? Syntax of while loop is first you have to write initialization. So you just check here which is the initialization part of for loop. Which is the initialization part? This is the initialization part of for loop. So we are copying this and we are writing it as the initialization statement. Then in while loop, the syntax is first initialization, then while, test expression, right? While, which is a text expression of for loop, which is a test expression here. This is a test expression. So write the test expression. Then open the curly bracket. Then write the body of the loop, which is the body of this loop, which is a statement that comes in the body. This is a statement. So write this here. See, SOPLN means it is system.out.println. You should not shorten like this. Okay, you have to write completely. System.out.println, copy this key. And in while loop, the syntax is after writing the statement in the body, before closing, you have to write the updation, which is the updation part of this for loop. The updation part of this for loop is k++. So write the updation and close the loop. Understood? First initialization, while, test expression, open the curly bracket, write the body of the loop, statements in the body, write the updation, close the while loop. Okay, and here you can understand which is the loop control variable. K is a loop control variable. K controls the loop. Okay, now how can you convert this for loop into do while? What is the syntax of do while loop? First initialization, which is the initialization part here. This is the initialization. So write the initialization. Then do, open the curly bracket. What is the syntax? Initialization, do. In the body, you will write the statements in the body, which is a statement of this body, which is a statement of this body. This is a statement. So copy this here, system.out.println k, statement. Then you have in do while loop, initialization, do, statement in the body, then updation, which is the updation of this loop. Updation of this loop is k++. So write the updation. Close the do loop. Then while, test expression, which is a test expression here, this one. So write the test expression, semicolon. Clear? So just remember the syntax of all the three loops, and when one loop is given, you just copy the statements into another loop following the correct syntax. You should not add any extra statements. You should not remove any extra statements. Okay? Is it okay? Now you look at second question. Look at the second question. Second question also. Just look at the second question. Question number 2. You can see do while loop is given there in question number 2. Do while loop. Just look at question number 2. Do while loop. First initialization, then do. Then you can see the body. In the body, you can see two statements. D is equal to D star 2 and system.out.println of D. Then again updation is written there. Updation also belongs to the body of the loop. Then closing the do loop, while, test expression is given. You know that in do while loop semicolon is compulsory. Okay, so suppose this is a question. How will you convert this into for loop? What is the syntax of for loop? For initialization, semicolon, test expression, semicolon, updation, then the body. Now look here, which is the initialization of this question? This is the initialization. So for initialization, semicolon. Then which is the test expression here? Here the test expression is this one. So write the test expression, semicolon. Then updation, which is the updation of this question? Updation is I++, because I is a loop control variable. So I++ is updation. So copy that updation here. So for initialization, semicolon, test expression, semicolon, updation. Then open the body. Here which is the body of the loop? This is the statement which comes in the body. This also belongs to the body. So write those two. Don't change the order. Copy that. First statement, second statement. Then this is the updation. Already this updation you have written here. So just close this. Okay. Now coming to while loop. While loop. How can you convert this do while into while loop? This is also simple. In while loop, what is the syntax? First initialization. Which is initialization? This line is the initialization. Copy that initialization. Then while then which is the next line? While test expression. Which is a test expression in this question? This is a test expression. While test expression. Don't put semicolon for while loop. Open the curly bracket, which is the statements that come in the body of this loop. This one and this one. These are the two statements that come in the body of the loop. So write the statements that come in the body of the loop. Then before closing the while loop, you have to write the updation statement for this while, which is the updation of this question. I++ is updation. So write the updation statement, close the while loop. Okay, initialization, while, test expression, statements in the body, then updation and close the while loop. Clear? Is it okay? Now just look at the third question. One more question. This also you can see. Just look here. Okay. Third question. While loop is given. You have to convert this while loop into do while loop as well as for loop. Okay, while loop. While loop, first initialization is given, then while test expression, then you can see the statements in the body, then updation and then closing the bracket. Okay, so this is initialization, while test expression, this is a statement in the body and this is the updation statement. See, which is the loop control variable of this while loop? The loop control variable is n, so that is updation here. Now we are converting this into do while. What is the syntax of do while? First initialization, copy the initialization, then do, then statements in the body, which is a statement in the body, this one, copy that, then write the updation, close the do loop, while condition, which is a condition here, which is a test expression, this one, write it semicolon compulsory for do while, whereas semicolon is not there for while loop. Now which is the corresponding for loop of this question? This is a question, for loop. What is the syntax of for loop? For initialization, semicolon, test expression, semicolon, updation. This is initialization, then this is test expression, this is updation. Writing that initialization, semicolon, test expression, semicolon, updation. Okay. Then open the curly bracket, which is the body of this loop, only this one. So write this as the body. Why you are not writing n minus minus here? We are not writing n minus minus here. Why? Because n minus minus is the updation of this loop. And you have already written updation here. You are writing updation here. So no need of writing updation again here. Is it okay? So just remember this syntax of all the three loops. You have to remember when one loop is given, no problem. Just look at the loop, find out the initialization part. Actually, you know loop contains 4 parts. Which are the 4 parts of a loop? Initialization, test expression, statements in the body and updation. So whenever a question is given, whenever a loop is given, find out the 4 parts of the question. And then you just convert that into the respective loops. In while loop, the syntax is first initialization, then while, test expression, then open the curly bracket, statements in the body, updation, closing the while loop. Then in do while, what's the syntax? First initialization, then do, open the curly bracket, statements in the body, updation, close the do loop, while, test expression, semicolon. And what is the syntax of for loop? For, C bracket, initialization, semicolon, test expression, semicolon, updation. Then close the C bracket, open the curly bracket, write the statements in the body and close it. So for every loop, there will be 4 parts: initialization statements, test expression, statements in the body and updation. So when you get a question, find out all the 4 parts and then you convert that into the respective loops according to the correct syntax. Okay. So 2 marks question you can expect from this part. Okay. Thank you.